hapon po, we are the second to the last of the group. So, bakit dalawa po ang aming Manila papers? Dahil po ang aming mga isipan ay naguluhan kanina. So, this is our first work. Our first work and our second work, dahil nga, tila ba'y naguluhan ay mga isip. So, this is our final work po. Pasensya, we have similarities. So, nairing nindo. So, disregard na po ni. Sorry po. Kasi dito kami nag-fix na mas madaling paraan ng pagplaplano. So we are the CUG family. And kami pang may iba. It's a combination of live talks and acoustic nights or day whatsoever. Diba? So, very usual. Event planning before event, of course. What do we need to do? We have here meeting 1 week before the event. Mayok ka mo kami nangigwa. And of course, which includes here brainstorming or sharing ideas. Why did come kami brainstorming, guys? And assigning person in charge, of course. Yung sinabi kasi wag ni Kuya Richard, ushers, yung di ko na siya tigin-numerate kasi it's self-explanatory, guys. And of course, foods to prepare. Mahal hindi ka mo kami, para kang nag-prepare food. And, ulit pa, amount to contribute for the event, how much that money will... Ang hirap dito. So yan, that is our before. And of course, our during, o ano pa man ang pronunciation. Of course, dahil mo walang registration, welcome guest, pinagsarap, may nakarispares man ang welcome. With remarks lang itong sarap. Icebreaker everyone! Nagkaroon ko sa bago, nagdidibuta, and of course, nagtataka kang bakit walang prayer bagong praise and worship. Kasi we allow the praise and worship team na sila na mag-pray. Wala kayo nun! Okay, and of course, here's the sharing live talks connected, of course, to the topic that we are going to share to the people. Ano? And of course, dahil mo walang games, the fun games na inaaral ka nga sa tuyang mga youth. And of course, snacks. And closing prayer, everyone. Photo opportunity, photo op, ano pa man yan. And of course, meron kaming before, during, may after kami evaluation of the event. And of course, guys, sa objective kayo na ori kasi di minalag dito. So there is some explanation to it kasi why this objective? Because to foster strong relationship and to cultivate lifelong bonds. Kasi ito sa serious na po since in our church, most of the member of the church is member of the family. We are Cañete, Garcia, so yun lang ang nag-ikot naman sa church we. And somehow, sometimes, life is hard. So, sometimes the relationship will not remain, di ba? Hindi nagre-remain yung relationship natin. There's always an up and downs. Ups, walang S. Ups and downs. To cultivate lifelong bond in order for us to foster strong relationship. And thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Alam mo, sige lang, yun lang.
Thank you so much po, COG Pro Willie. Yan, proceed po muna tayo sa ating last presenter.